Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Dr. Ridwan. For this chapter 2.2, we will learn about the theoretical and conceptual framework. Framework can be derived from related concept, or conceptuals, or existing theory, or we call it theoreticals. So the theoretical framework and the conceptual framework are closely related but distantly different things. Not only do they look at difference, but they serve different functions. Okay, now let me see what is theory, development of theoretical and conceptual frameworks. So most businesses and management research aim to explain particular behaviors. For example, the choice of an outcome that is associated with individuals like leaders. So employee and customers, group like work teams, companies and country, or systems like company practice and government policy. So theory are used to explain how of individuals or group or system behave. Theory can be used to provide both predictions and explanations. For example, theories may be used to explain why some companies are successful while others are not, or why an individual decides to buy product X while others individual decided to buy product Y. Okay, how concepts are related. So which means the theory do things by specifying how different concept or phenomena related to one another. And why this concept are related, which means why this concept or phenomena related each other in the way that they do. Okay, let's we understand what is theoretical framework. So a theoretical framework, also sometimes called a foundations of theory, is essentially a set of concepts, definitions, and propositions that come together to form a structured views of the our specific phenomena. So, according to Collins and Stockton's theoretical framework is an interactions of first the existing knowledge and previously formed ideas about the complex phenomena. Second is the researcher's epistemological dispositions, and the third one is the lens and methodically analytics approach. So we can consider a theoretical framework is the general frames of reference used for observations, defining concepts, developing research design, and interpreting and generalizing findings. So the theoretical framework is formulated from the existing theory and serve as the foundation of the studies. Whereas in other words, a theoretical framework is the carefully curated collections of existing theories, models, and frameworks that provide a foundation of the core knowledge, a lay of the land, so to speak, upon which you can build your research study. So the researchers may adopt one or more theories in a particular study. Combination of theory are allowed to provide a uniqueness and or originalities to a particular research. So in the theoretical framework, you explain the theory that support your research, showing that your work is grounded in established ideas. So this is the example of the theoretical framework. So let we see is the purpose of the theoretical framework. So the first actually is presents and explain theoreticals and models, which mean that theoretical framework help you understand and talk about the theory and models that other researchers have already come up with. So these theories and models are like a building blocks of knowledge that we use to understand different things. Second is the evaluate, compare, and choose relevant ones. It's like going to a store to pick up out the best ingredient for a recipe. You look at all the options and compare them and choose the one that will work best for your dish. So similarly in research, you look at the different theories and models, see how they're related to your topic, and picks the ones that fits the best. So the third one actually is connect to existing knowledge, which means that imagine you are building a bridge. You need to know where to start and how to connect one part to another. So the theoretical framework is like a map that connects your research to what's already known. So it gives you a starting point and help you build on what others have already discovered. The fourth one is the specified key variable and their influence. Things of variables as a factors that can affect something. For example, if you are studying how temperature affects plant growth, temperature is a variable. So the theoretical framework help you to identify which factors are important in your research and how they might affect the things you are studying. So it's like you're putting a spotlight on the key ingredients in your recipe and figuring out how they might change the final dish. Okay, see you in part two of these chapters. Thank you.